In this video, we will show you how to use the autofill feature with a QR code. First, make sure your iWalk is fully prepared. Start by placing the QR code at a practical place with the help of the Height Guide sticker. Guide the iWalk in front of the QR code so it can recognize it. Once the QR code is identified, the autofill light will start flashing blue. Press the button and guide the iWalk along the boundary of the area you want to save for cleaning. Once completed, the Start button will flash. Press it and the iWalk will clean the desired area. You can set up or adjust no-go zones in the app. To do this, first press the Stop button on the iWalk to pause the machine. Then, set up your desired constraints in the app which suit your needs. Then, press Save. Press the Start button on the iWalk to restart it. Your iWalk will now continue cleaning while avoiding your no-go zones. When your iWalk is done, it will automatically go back to the starting point and stop. When you want the same area to be cleaned in the future, simply guide your iWalk to the QR code and let it recognize it. The Start button will flash if it does. Press it, and the iWalk will start cleaning the previously saved zone. This feature will allow you to create precise cleaning routes suitable for complex cleaning needs.